Hi everyone, welcome to Postman tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will explain what global variables are in Postman and how to use them in your API request. Global variables help you store values like base URL, token, or credentials that you want to reuse across different collections or environment. So let's begin. First, create a new collection. Click on new and then click on collection. Enter collection name here, global demo. Now, add request inside this collection. Here two options available. Either we can click on add a request and click on three dot add request. Now, enter request name here, login. This is request name, and then enter URL here. Open Chrome browser and copy this complete URL and enter URL here. Now, as you can view, this is the base URL, https dummy json.com. This is the base URL. We can set this base URL in global. So copy this base URL and then click on variables in this request. After clicking on this, you can view environment, collection, and global. For adding variables in a global, you need to click on this add. Now, here no variables are set in global, so you can view no global variables in this workspace. Click on add base URL. This is base URL. Now, just enter this variable name here in a request. Click on save for saving this request. Enter base URL. Here we are getting some error. Now click on globals, click on save. Now click on save base URL. Here still we are getting, let's check why we are getting error. Click on save, save and overwrite. Click on cancel and still we are getting error. Let's check why we are getting error base URL. We need to click on this checkbox. Otherwise, we are getting in request. Click on save and overwrite. And here you can view error has been gone because we need to mark the checkbox. Now, click on send for view response. Here we are getting 404 not found. This is the method post and enter username and password in a body section. So select here method is post, click on body, click on raw and then enter username and password here. We can set this username and password in a global. In previous tutorials, I have already explained about how you can set this username and password in environment. Now copy this username and password and enter here in body section. Let's copy again. Copy just username and password. Open Postman and enter here. Enter double quote here. Same as well, we need to enter double quote here. Remove single quote and same as well here, enter double quote. Same for password, enter here. Now save this script and click on send. As you can view here, we are getting access token. So in next request for authorization, we need to enter access token in header section. In header section, we need to enter access token. So we will write the for extracting this token from the response. Click on scripts and enter here let response is equal to pm dot response dot json. Now extract token from the response. Extract token let access token is equal to response dot access token. As you can view here, access token in output. Access token. First extract this token and then save this token in a global variables. Save as global variables. em dot globals access token comma access token. This line basically used for save this token in a global variables. We can print this token in a console by using console.log. Print to console. For printing this token in a console, you need to enter console.log access token and comma here comma access token. Let's save and then click on send. Something went wrong while returning. Response is equal to pm.response.json. Let access token is equal to response.access token and pm.globals.set. Here enter dot set. Let's save and again click on send. Now click on console. As you can view here, access token printed in a console. Same as well, we need to check whether this token is coming in a global variable. Scroll down and here you can view base URL access token. We are extracting this token from the response and save in a global variable. Now use this token in another request. Add another request here. Click on three dot, click on add request and enter here auth. Click on enter. In this request, we just need to enter base URL and then enter path here. Scroll down and the second request is dummyjson.com/auth me. Copy this path /auth/me. Enter here auth/me. In the header section, just enter here authorization authorization, and then enter this variable name. Click on three dots, click on cancel, and then click on all variables. We need to enter this variable name, which is access token. The curly bracket here, and then enter this access token. As you can view, we are receiving access token. Now we can run. Before running this request, click on save. Let's again click on send. As you can view here in header access token, same as well in the URL access token. I hope now you understand how to create and use global variables in Postman. They make your API testing faster and more organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SK World for more Postman and API testing tutorials. See you in the next video.